ओंकारं बिन्दुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. Yogis meditate forever on Omkara associated with the Bindu. Salutation to the Omkara, the granter of wishes and salvation. We call on Thee, Lord of the hosts, the poet of poets, the most famous of all, the supreme King of spiritual knowledge. O Lord of spiritual wisdom, listen to us with Thy graces and reside in the place of sacrifice. Part 3. Moral and Ethical Qualities. Quality 21. Shuchi, pure. Tang nirvyajang bhajagunanidhim pavanam pavananam shraddharajyam matiratitaram uttamashlokamaaulim prodyannantah karanakuhare Hantayannamabhanor abhasopi kshapayati maha patakadvantadharam. Vidura speaks to Dhritarashtra. My dear brother, just fix your mind on the lotus feet of Krishna, who is worshipped with beautiful, erudite verses by great sages and saintly persons. Krishna is the supreme deliverer among all deliverers. Undoubtedly, there are great demigods like Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, but their positions as deliverers depend always upon the mercy of Krishna. Kapatang chahatascha nachyute batasatra jatinapyadinata kathamadya vrithasya mantaka prasabhang kaustubha sakhyam ichhasi. Deceit and stubbornness do not belong to Achyuta, nor, alas, does faint-heartedness belong to Satrajit. So how is it that today, O Syamantaka jewel, you wish, rashly and in vain, to claim friendship with the Kaustubha gem? Quality 22. Vashi, self-controlled. Uddama bhava pishunamalaval guhasa vridavaloka nihato madanopi yasam sammuhya chapamajahat pramadottamasta yasyendriyam vimathitum kuhakairna shekuhu. All the 16,000 wives of Krishna were so exquisitely beautiful that their smiling and shyness were able to captivate the minds of great demigods like Lord Shiva. But still, they could not even agitate the mind of Krishna in spite of their attractive feminine behavior. Quality 23. Sthira, steadfast. Nirvedamapanavana brahmane murarir na chintayadvyasana mrikshabila praveshe ahrityahantamanimeva puram prapede syadudyamah kritadhiyam hipalodayantaha. Murari felt no discouragement in roaming through the forest, nor did he consider it a misfortune to enter the bear's cave. At last, having indeed recovered the jewel, he returned to the city, for the endeavors of those with firm resolve often reach their fruitful end. Quality 24. Danta, forbearing. Gurumapi guruvasa kleshamavyaja bhaktya harirajaganadantah komalangopinayam prakritirati duruha hantalokottaranam kimapi manasi chitram chintyamana tanoti. When Krishna was residing at the place of his spiritual master, he did not mind taking all troubles in rendering service to his guru, although his body was very soft and delicate. Quality 25. Kshamashila, forgiving.
प्रतिवाचमदत्त केशवः शपमानाय न चेदि भूभृते अनुहुङ्कुरुते घनध्वनिं न हि गोमायुरुतानि केशरी.
When Shishupala began to call Krishna ill names, Krishna did not care and remained silent. Some of the people at the arena were prepared to kill Shishupala, but Krishna restricted them. He was so forgiving. It is said that when there is a thundering sound in the clouds, the mighty lion immediately replies with his thundering roar. But the lion doesn't care when all the foolish jackals begin to make their less important sounds.
Raghuvara yada bhustvang tadrisho vayasasya pranataiti dayalur yaccha chaidyasya Krishna pratibhavam aparadhur mugdhasayujya dobhur vadakima padamagas tasya testi kshamaya.
O best of the Raghus, since you showed such compassion even to a crow who bowed to you, and, O Krishna, since you granted Sayuja liberation to Shishupala despite his repeated offenses, then tell me, what fault could possibly be an obstacle for this person? Is there any limit at all to your forgiveness? Quality 26. Gambhira, grave.
Vrindavane varabhistutibhir nitaramupasyamanopi shakto naharir vidhina rushtastushtothava.
After Lord Shri Krishna had been offended by Brahma, Brahma prayed to him to be excused. But in spite of his offering nice prayers to Krishna, Brahma could not understand whether Krishna was satisfied or still dissatisfied. In other words, Krishna was so grave that he did not take the prayers of Brahma very seriously.
Unmadopi harirnavya radha pranayasīdhuna abhijñena piramena lakshito yamavikriyaha.
Although Hari was intoxicated by the fresh wine of Radha's love, even when perceptive Balarama observed him, he remained outwardly unchanged. Quality 27. Dhritiman, self-satisfied.
Svikurvannapi nitaram yashaf priyatvam kansarir magadhapater vadha prasiddham bhimaya swayamatulam adatta kirting king lokottara gunashalinam apeksham.
Although Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, naturally cherished fame, though fully capable of gaining renown for killing the king of Magadha, he personally gave that incomparable glory to Bhima. What more is to be expected from those whose virtues are beyond this world?
Ninditasya damaghosha sununa sambhramena munibhistutasya cha rajasuya sadasikkritishvaraih kapinasya vikritir vitarkita.
Though reviled by the son of Damaghosha and reverently praised by the sages, even when acclaimed by the kings in the Rajasuya assembly, not the slightest alteration of expression was ever observed in Krishna's person. Quality 28. Sama, possessing equilibrium.
Nyayo hi danda kritakil vishesmings tavavatara khalanigrahaya ripoh sutanam apitulya drishter dhatsedamang phalamevanushansan.
Kaliya's wife said, Dear Lord, you have descended to punish all kinds of demoniac living creatures. Our husband, this Kaliya, is a greatly sinful creature, and so your punishment of him is quite appropriate. We know that your punishment of your enemies and your dealings with your sons are both the same. We know that it is in thinking of the future welfare of this condemned creature that you have chastised him.
Ripurapi yadi shuddho mandaniyastavasav yaduvara yadi dushto dandaniyah sutopi napunarakhila bhartuf pakshapato jhitasya kvachidapi vishamante cheshtitang jaghatiti.
My dear Lord Krishna, best of all the Kuru dynasty, you are so impartial that if even your enemy is qualified, you will reward him. And if one of your sons is a culprit, you will chastise him. This is your business, because you are the supreme author of the universes. You have no partiality. If anyone finds any partiality in your characteristics, he is surely mistaken. Quality 29. Vadanya, magnanimous.
Sarvarthinam badhamabhishtapurtya vyarthikritah kangsani sudanena hriyeva chintamani kamadhenu kalpadhrumadvaravating bhajanti.
When Krishna was reigning over Dwaraka, he was so magnanimous and charitably disposed that there was no limit to his charity. In fact, so great was his charity in Dwaraka that even the spiritual kingdom, with all of its opulence of Chintamani, touchstone, desire trees, and Surabhi cows, was surpassed.
Yeshang shodasha purita dashashati Svantah Puranang Tatha Chashtashlishtashatang Vibhati Paritas Tatsankhya Patni Yujam Ekaikam Pratiteshu Tarnaka Bhritam Bhusha Jusha Manvaham Grishtinam Yugapacha Baddhamadadad Yastasya Vakah Sama.
It is also stated that while Lord Krishna was living in Dwaraka, he expanded himself into 16,108 forms, and each and every expansion resided in a palace with a queen. Not only was Krishna happily living with his queens in those palaces, but he was giving in charity from each palace an aggregate number of 13,054 cows, completely decorated with nice clothing and ornaments. From each of Krishna's 16,108 palaces, these cows were given daily. Quality 30. Dharmika, religious.
Padaishchaturbhir bhavata vrishasya guptasya gopendra tatha bhyavardhi svairang charannesha yatha trilokyam Adharma shashpani hatha jaghasa.
Narada said, My dear Lord of the cowherd boys, your bulls are the representation of religion, while eating grass from the pasturing ground and moving on their four legs, have certainly eaten up all the grass of irreligion.
Vitayamanair bhavata makhotkareir Akrishyamaneshu patishvanaratam Mukundakhinna surasubhruvanganas Tavavataram navamang namasyati.
It is said that because Krishna was constantly performing various types of sacrifices and was inviting the demigods from the higher planetary systems, the demigods were almost always absent from their concerts. Therefore, the wives of the demigods, regretting the absence of their husbands, began to pray for the appearance of Lord Buddha, Krishna's 9th incarnation, who appears in the age of Kali. The demigods' wives thought that if Lord Buddha appeared, all kinds of sacrifices would be stopped, and thus their husbands would not be invited to such ceremonies and would not be separated from them. Quality 31. Shura, heroic.
Prithu samarasaro vigahya kurvan Dvishadara vindavane viharacharyam स्फुरसितरलबाहुदण्डशुण्डस् त्वमघविदारणवारणेन्द्रलीलः.
My dear killer of the enemy, just as the elephant, while taking bath in the lake, destroys all the lotus stems within the water by swinging its trunk, so simply by moving your arms, which are compared to the trunks of elephants, you have killed so many lotus-like enemies.
क्षणादक्षौहिणी वृन्दे जरासन्धस्य दारुणे दृष्टः कोऽप्यत्र नादष्टो हरेः प्रहरणाहिभिः.
In the terrible host of Jarasandha's many army phalanxes, no one appeared to be untouched by Hari's serpent-like weapons. Quality 32. Karuna, compassionate.
राज्ञामगाधगतिभिर्मगधेन्द्रकारा दुःखान्धकारपटलैः स्वयमन्धितानाम् अक्षीणीयः सुखमयानि घृणीव्यतानि वन्दे तमद्य यदुनन्दनपद्मबन्धुम्.
I bow today to him, the sun in the form of Krishna, the son of the Yadus, who compassionately restored joy to the eyes of those kings whose sight had been darkened by the dense pall of suffering in the dreadful prison of the Magadha king.
स्खलन् नयनवारिभिर्विरचिताभिषेकश्रिये त्वरा भरतरङ्गतः कवलितात्मविस्फूर्तये निशातशरशायिना सुरसरित्सुतेन स्मृते सपद्यवशवर्ष्मणो भगवतः कृपायै नमः.
Obeisance to the compassion of the blessed Lord, whose body became instantly governed by his tender mercy as he hurried forward, borne on waves of urgency. The Lord's eyes overflowed with tears and created a radiant Abhisheka of Bhishma, the son of the heavenly river, who lay pierced by sharp arrows, remembering the Lord at the moment of death. Quality 33. Manyamanakrit, respectful.
अभिवाद्य गुरोः पदाम्बुजम् पितरं पूर्वजमप्यथा नतः हरिरञ्जलिना तथा गिरा यदुवृद्धाननमत्क्रमादयम्.
Having bowed to the lotus feet of his guru and then respectfully to his father and elder brother, Hari, with folded hands and with words of reverence, also offered salutations, one after another, to all the elders of the Yadu dynasty. Quality 34. Dakshina, liberal.
भृत्यस्य पश्यति गुरूनपि नापराधान् सेवाङ्मनागपि कृतां बहुधाभ्युपैति आविष्करोति पिशुनेष्वपि नाभ्यसूयाम् शीलेन निर्मलमतिः कमलेक्षणोऽयम्.
This lotus-eyed Lord, pure in mind by his very nature, never sees even grave faults of his servants. He abundantly acknowledges even the slightest service offered to him, and even in the company of slanderers, he reveals no trace of envy. Quality 35. Vinayi, gentle.
अवलोक एव नृपतेः सुदूरतो रभसाद्रथादवतरीतुमिच्छतः अवतीर्णवान् प्रथममात्मना हरिर्विनयं विशेषयति सम्भ्रमेण सः.
Just by seeing King Yudhishthira from afar, when the king eagerly tried to descend from his chariot, Lord Hari quickly stepped down first himself. Thus, with respectful haste, he displayed extraordinary humility. Quality 36. Hriman, shy.
दरोदञ्चद्गोपी स्तनपरिसरप्रेक्षणभरात् करोत्कम्पादीषत् चलति किल गोवर्धनगिरौ भयार्तैरारब्धा स्तुतिरखिल गोपैः स्मितमुखम् पुरो दृष्ट्वा रामम् जयति नमितास्यो मधुरिपुः.
Krishna's shyness was manifested when he lifted Govardhana hill by the little finger of his left hand. All of the gopis were observing Krishna's wonderful achievement, and Krishna was also smiling at seeing the gopis. When Krishna's glance went over the breasts of the gopis, his hand began to shake, and upon seeing his hand shake, all of the cowherd men underneath the hill became a little disturbed. When there was a tumultuous roaring sound, they all began to pray to Krishna for safety. At this time, Lord Balarama was smiling, thinking that these cowherd men had been frightened by the shaking of Govardhana hill. But seeing Balarama smile, Krishna thought that Balarama had understood his mind in observing the breasts of the gopis, and he immediately became bashful. Quality 37. Sharanagata Palaka, protector of surrendered souls.
Jvara parihara vitrasang tvam atra samare krita paradhopi sadyah prapadyamane yad indavati yadavendroyam.
O Jvara weapon, cast away your fear. Even though you have committed an offense here in battle, abandon your terror, for this Lord of the Yadus is like the moon in his magnanimity toward one who immediately takes refuge in him. Quality 38. Sukhi, happy.
Ratnalankara bharas tavadhana damano rajyavrityapyalabhya swapne dambholipaner api duradhigamam dvaritauryatrikang cha parshve gauri garishta prachura shashikala kanta sarvanga bhaja simantinyascha nityam yaduvara bhuvane kastvadanyosti bhogi.
As far as Krishna's enjoyment is concerned, it is stated that the ornaments that decorated the bodies of Krishna and his queens were beyond the dreams of Kuvera, the treasurer of the heavenly kingdom. The constant dancing before the doors of Krishna's palaces was not to be imagined even by Indra. The beautiful women residing within the palaces of Krishna were so much whiter than Lord Shiva's wife Gauri that they were compared to the moonshine, and they were constantly visible to Krishna. Therefore, no one can be enjoying more than Krishna.
Nahanim namlanim na nijagriha kritya vyasanitam na ghoram nodghurnam na kilakadanam vetti kimapi varangi bhisangi krita suhridananga bhirabhito harirvrindaranye paramanishamucchairviharati.
Dear wives of the Brahmanas, you must know that not even a slight smell of distress can touch Krishna. He knows no loss, he knows no defamation, he has no fear, he has no anxiety, and he does not know calamity. He is simply encircled by the dancers of Vraja and is enjoying their company in the rasa dance. Quality 39. Bhakta Suhrit, well-wisher of his devotees.
Tulasi dalamatrena jalasya chulukena cha vikrinite svamatmanam bhaktebhyo bhaktavatsalaha.
It is said of Krishna's devotees that if they offer even a little water or a tulasi leaf in devotion to Lord Vishnu is so kind that he will sell himself to them.
Svanigamamapahaya mat pratignyam ऋतमधिकर्तुमवप्लुतो रथस्थः धृतरथचरणोऽभ्ययाच्चलद्गुर् हरिरिव हन्तुमिभङ्गतोत्तरीयः.
Bhishma speaks, fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, took up its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way. Quality 40. Prema Vashya, controlled by love.
Sakyuh priyasya viprarsher angasangati nirvritaha prito vyamunchadabbindu netrabhyam pushkare kshanaha.
The lotus-eyed Supreme Lord felt intense ecstasy upon touching the body of his dear friend, the wise Brahmana Sudama, and thus he shed tears of love.
Svamatu svinnagatraya visrastakabarasrajaha drishtva parishramam Krishna kripayasit svabandhane.
Because of Mother Yashoda's hard labor, her whole body became covered with perspiration, and the flowers and cum were falling from her hair. When child Krishna saw his mother thus fatigued, he became merciful to her and agreed to be bound.